Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I will be reviewing Gentoo Linux. So now we are gonna try to log in using the Gentoo and it should just load it. This should be the graphical user interface version cause first time I tried it loaded in the non-graphical interface version and I had absolutely no cloud to do it through the minimal install CD. Oh yeah, it's KDE. Yeah, I remember I chose this. Let's go, KDE. Great, this is my favorite. Oh, and it auto puts me at the input device page, which is good. Oh, yeah, now time to change my display back to the original one. Apply. Great. Okay, and the background picture is amazing. It looks so chill and peaceful. Okay, this is good. I like KDE. So whenever I see KDE, I think of more peaceful stuff. Like, it's one of my favorite kinds. It's not, I mean, it's one of my favorite desktop managers. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Yeah, something along the lines. Okay, but now that we are in, I do not know how to install. Yeah, let me go and find Dolphin first. Okay, Dolphin desktop. It can't be installed really. Yeah, it's not. Anyways, this is the live booting medium. I have no cloud to find the installation medium. It's not the desktop like it usually is. But weird that there's nothing. There's something on the drive. This is weird. I just mounted this. Okay. This is very weird. Okay, let's just try opening terminal and running the reboot command. Okay, sudo. I can guess the password to begin to. Okay, I guess not. If it isn't, I have to manually can just use the reboot. Yeah, I can just reboot from here. Start. Done. Okay, let's hope this works this time. I have no clue how this works, so guess we're gonna do Gentoo dash no FB. No clue what the difference is, but I guess the graphics is using the full screen. Oh, yeah, now it's the right resolution, I think. Is it? Nope, never mind, doesn't seem like it. Oh yeah, it is mostly the right resolution. It became better, but I don't see the installation medium. I mean, I search here installer. Oh, run install. Okay, great. Start install. Okay, anyways, while that tries to work, I will change my display resolution back up to 25 50. Okay, great. Oh, will it revert back? I forgot to click apply. Anyways, what's the installer? Oh, that's not the right run install. Is it here? Install? No. This live installation. I'm starting to think that you do not have to actually install it. Right? Okay, we'll just check here. Since we're on the official page. Okay, I have the live thing. Okay, let's look at the handbook. Cause it's weird that I got it. Okay, AMD 64. Okay, I guess not. Can we? Oh wait, yeah, that's another way. We can just install the. But it doesn't make sense though. Okay. I mean, I can try to review it in this stage, cause I really don't see the installation medium. Oh, do I do app update? And wrong symbol and upgrade. Okay, I guess you're not using. Wait, that means. Now this is live updates. We have to really figure out how to install it. Slash I have to. Okay, never mind. I guess I can only review it on what we have here. Okay, great. Now, under utilities, we have Joe's own editor, which I have absolutely no clue what it is. Considering this is a installation medium that's brand new, I just installed it. Slash used it. But yeah, there's a drop down terminal. Oh, that is cool. This is cool. When I just saw the drop down there, it's actually very cool. Okay, we are leaving that open for now. What else do we have? We have a calendar, we have KTNet, we have a lot of things. And it comes pre-installed Kden Live. What do you know? This is actually amazing. I do not know what. I was actually surprised it would come with Kden Live. And it comes with Chromium, which is a plus. You can don't use Mozilla, which I personally do not like. GUI, we have Color Chooser, Ocular, there's GameK, Education, there's LibriMath, then Icon ID, I've never actually used this. Okay, we'll launch it and I'll close this drop down console. Okay, this is this. Okay. I don't. Oh, never mind. That's gone now. Okay. Okay, this is very laggy. So I can't click this anymore. Okay, something happened. Okay, never mind. Let's back this again. And this is the default user. And add new user. No, there's no point adding new user. Okay, this installation is not going good, but overall I see that there are a lot of apps and there's an emac. I have no clue what's an emac, so yeah, it's cool and all. Okay, so I can only review it based on what I see here, and what I see is just purely KDE and nothing much of Gentoo besides this one word of Gentoo here, and I can't seem to change unless I can add a new user, but there's no point. So yeah, I have no clue to install it for this one. If you guys know, please leave a comment. This is my third try trying to install Gentoo. The first two times I had the wrong installation medium. The third time I'm stuck at this step. So yeah, if you guys know how to install it, please tell me in the comment section down below and I will make a second video on it. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for the part 2. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!